working on. It turned out really cute. A Latte to Love. So it's my new junk journal about coffee. And I tied these really pretty ribbons on it. I really like it. So I'll show you. It is a short spine and it's open so you can actually see the signatures. I have 5 signatures. So there's the front. Let's see this way. Too cute. And our back. And we'll just look at the pages real quick. I will be adding to it. I'm probably going to put some lace here. I don't know. I'll just keep going and I'll keep sharing it. You'll probably get sick of seeing it. But anyway, this is what we've got going on. You can write over here. Coffee. I really love this one. So pretty. Espresso. More espresso. That one looks really good. Love the big old styrofoam cup. Pretty little pink cup with a butterfly in it. Kind of like out on the town, like you're sitting at a table looking outside the window of the cafe. But first, coffee. That's how I start my day. So, pretty little heart design. A lot of writing space on this page. Just a bunch of stuff here. Life begins after coffee. Well, yes, it does. Little coffee beans. More writing space. That's a pretty cup of coffee right there. You can see the little spine that I have created that holds the 2 pages together, the 2 front and back cover together through that little area here. I'll be adding a lot of things. I'll probably just insert some things there. You won't even probably see the spine by the time I'm done. Coffee shop, more places to write. I love the steam. Looks chocolatey actually. More space to write. I love the collaged cup. More coffee beans. I'll also be inking edges and stuff like that. I didn't really do that this time. I usually do that before I put the cover on, but I got anxious. And so anyway, your book is always a work in progress. You can like never finish a book if you didn't want to. You could open it 9 years from now and just keep working on it. It's never finished. This is a kind of neat little place. You could probably get pockets and things like that. That coffee looks chocolatey also. Maybe I just want chocolate. Oh, I love this. Brown and pink are like, as you can tell from the whole journal, are my favorite colors together. But unless it's like Halloween time, I don't know why I'm pink and orange. I mean, excuse me, orange and purple at that time of year. So, oof, very fattening and yummy looking, isn't it? We're back in a cafe. Looks like it. Yes. Little outside seating areas. Very pretty. Nice place to write on both pages here. And a spoonful of sugar. Oh, the donut. This is an elegant page. I really loved how it turned out, and you could definitely write there as well. And in the back, vintage old advertisement. I really like that. So, yeah, there we are. Okay, keep an eye out for this in the shop. I did not, when I originally made it, didn't have the pages for the book cover, which they're in portrait, 8.5 by 11, and I do give those in JPEG so they can be easily resized. But the rest of the pages obviously come in landscape. So, yeah. Bye.